Hello friends, so right now I am in front of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu temple which is located in Mayapur close to the ISKCON temple. Before that, let's see, I am going to explore inside this temple. So stay together with me and explore together with me. So from the outside, let's see, this is the main entrance of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu temple. So I am going inside, so stay together with me and explore together with me. Thank you so much. So this is the entrance of the temple where I am going from this gate. So let's support with me and learn lots of facts regarding this temple and from the Sri Mayapur ISKCON temple and the Sri Gaudiya Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Math temple. So I am going, this is the corridor I just entered in the temple, and really it's also one of the most beautiful math here located in Mayapur, West Bengal, just only 900 meters away from the ISKCON temple. So Hare Krishna. So right now I came in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu temple, which is one of the most beautiful temple in Mayapur, just located close to the Mayapur ISKCON temple. So let's see a view of this temple. It's also a very amazing and unique temple, and after coming in this temple I am also feeling so awesome. So let's see and explore together with me the view of this temple. We can see and observe how it is made. So really it's a very amazing and unique temple also. So let's see and explore together with me and stay updated. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. So Sri Chaitanya Gauriya Math is located 700 meters away from the Hular Ghat and the ISKCON Mayapur, which is one of the most popular and famous for being the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which was an avatar of the Lord Sri Krishna in form of Radha. So the entire area of Navadip has countless temples and the Chaitanya Maths. So, and one of the holiest sites for Vaishnavites in West Bengal in Nadia district of Mayapur and Navadip Island. So Sri Chaitanya Gauriya Math offers two bedded rooms. A stay here can be very relaxing and enjoyable, as the math is situated on a compound campus with large water cooled also available in this math, Sri Chaitanya Gauriya Math. So one can also set amenities like the CCTV cameras and the clean drinking water, which is a good choice for a stay at affordable prices. So it is one of the best place to stay here, and it is also one of the most beautiful temple in the Gauriya Chaitanya Vaishnavism Math. So let's see this temple where I am going inside to seek the bliss of Lord Sri Krishna and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srila Prabhupada regarding the ISKCON temple. So we can see how it is looking, and there is also a chariot of Arjuna and Sri Krishna during of teaching Srimad Bhagavad Gita at that time. So this is the way to go inside the temple, and I am going. So let's feel about the temple from inside. It is also really one of the most beautiful temple inside the Chaitanya Gauriya Math located here. So I am going and learn and feel about the temple from the inside. So inside we can feel very peaceful and so silent here inside the temple I am feeling, and the architecture of this temple design is also so unique and amazing I am feeling here after coming to visit inside this temple. So it's also made by purely white marbles, something like that, and we can see the top of the building is also looking so amazing and unique architectures along with the design, and always few peoples and devotees are coming to visit this math also, who are coming to visit the ISKCON Sri Chandrodaya Mandir Mayapur, which is not far away from, because there, which is so close from there also, which is located at the Navadip Island. So the checking and checkout time are 9 a.m. and it is a I am just in front of the Sri Chaitanya Gauriya Math, which is so popular math located in the Mayapur, which is popular for Mayapur ISKCON temple. So let's see and explore together with me. I am Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who was born in Navadip, which is located in Mayapur in Nadia district. So let's explore together with me and below Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai, Jai Sri Krishna. So really it's a very unique place here, and I am going to explore from the inside. So let's stay updated here and explore together with me. So below Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Ram. So it is a geographically area consisting of 9 islands, which is called as a Navadvip, located on the main island, which is the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and lots of countless temples are there at the island of 9 island, that is called as a Navadvip Island in Mayapur, Nadia district, West Bengal, which is located 105 km away from the Kolkata Habra, and train is always available from the Habra to Navadvip railway station, and also another second railway station is the Krishnanagar railway station. So it is one of the most beautiful place where anyone can come and visit, and also we can use the ferry also from the between Mayapur and Navadvip through the ferry, which we have to cross the river of Hooghly Gange river from here, because Mayapur is also located on the bank of river Hooghly. So even I have seen that lots of foreigners are also coming to visit this temple also always, which is one of the most beautiful temple. And we know about that Mayapur is the birthplace of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at century 17th century Vaishnavism sent who local reformer and the social reformer and the religious leader. So Navadvip is a holy sacred place with the many sacred temples, including the Sonar Gauranga temple, Sri Chaitanya Sevarnath Mutt, and the Dwadas Shiva temple. So Navadvip was a center of learning and philosophy in the medieval India, and it is still known for its traditional Sanskrit school. So it has been called the Oxford of the Bengal. So Navadvip celebrates the annual Ras Utsav in the November and the Dol Purnima in month of March. So Navadvip was the capital of the Sena dynasty also and was founded in the 1063 century AD. So the name Navadvip comes from the Bengali word Naba, means no, 9, and Deep means island, 9 island. So let's feel inside the temple and chant Hare Krishna. It is one of the best moment that where I am getting in every ISKCON temple chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which was founded and chanted by and spread by the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that nowadays we are also flowing to chant about the Sri Mahamantra, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So it is one of the most beautiful memory for me also, which I got here. So it's also one of the most beautiful temple also inside this temple also, where I am going to seek the place of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sri Radhe Krishna inside this temple. So let's feel. This is the way, the door of the temple which I am going where inside. So even right now the time is 7 p.m. and during the 7 p.m. I am also feeling so good and with so positive vibes. So this is the main temple also. So we can see there is a idol of the Vaishnavism of Sri Krishna Radhe Gaudiya of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityanand Prabhu. Even Nityanand Prabhu, who was also a great follower of the and chant, who established and started to chant Hare Krishna mantra, who was born in Ekra Chakra, which is also located in Birbhum district, where Shanti Niketan is there. That is the birthplace of the Sri Nityanand Prabhu. So chant Hare Krishna and feel with me together. And this is the Samadhi Mandir. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Please chant together and feel and be happy. Always chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and be happy, and stay away from the depression and Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So Jai Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityanand Prabhu. Finally, I completed my all journey in Mayapur. So in this time, I am planning to return from here. So I will take the ferry from here, Mayapur, for Navadvip, and from Navadvip, I will take the train for Habra, ordinary train, and then from Habra, I will go Bishnupur to explore the lots of Bishnupur temple dedicated to Krishna Radha, built by Tarkota, which is the also site of UNESCO here. So I am planning for there. So I am trying to go there. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.